Look, it's a rainbow! Happy Friday, you guys! So excited for the weekend! And we have a nice rainbow, which is telling us it's going to be a great weekend. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kara and this is Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. Today's Sunday, so happy Easter. I hope you had a good weekend and a good Sunday, a good Easter holiday. Today we're here to talk about the May 2019 Boxycharm box. And this is the regular box, not the Boxy Deluxe. Okay, so last I reported to you was that I expected there to be the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. It's $28, it's a gel cleanser, it's supposed to be good for all skin types, and there's not many reviews online, but it should be a good product. And also that we were going to have a First Aid Beauty product that was most likely going to be the coconut water cream, worth $34, and that has been confirmed. Both of those two products have been confirmed by Boxycharm. They're definitely in the May 2019 box. Okay, now here's where it gets sketchy, and here's where I've been dreading doing this video for 2 days now, but I have to do it. Okay, in my last video on the May 2019 box, I predicted that there would be the Dose of Colors palette, and as you know, that was the 5-shade palette. It came in 5 or 6 variations. It could be berries, it could be siennas, etc. It looks like that's not going to happen. It looks like we're getting a Dose of Colors product, but I don't think it's going to be the palette. That's not to say that the palette's not going to come, and I'll insert those photos from January that had to do with the spoilers for the year, and in that was shown a Dose Colors palette. I thought it was coming in May. I don't think it's coming in May, and here's why. It was Friday night, and Boxycharm very late at night put out an Instagram video or a Facebook video. Either way, they put it out, I saw it, and then it was deleted. I mean, this is something that Boxycharm does. They put out spoiler videos or images, and then they delete them, so you cannot find them later on. But I saw it, I swear, I saw it. They put out a video where Joe is sitting in a conference room, and he has a box off to his right. It had Confidence in a Cream, it had the Laura Geller Dew Dreamer Glow Drops. Anyway, that was the FOMO box. We now know that that's the FOMO box. I didn't know what that box was 2 days ago, but I now know that that's the FOMO box. The camera was on the FOMO box to the right, and then the camera went over to the left, and it showed a Dose of Colors lip in a box. It showed 2 boxes. And then Joe said, "Oh no, don't show that, don't show that." And the camera quickly glanced at the product twice, and then it went back to the FOMO box. So again, Boxycharm is teasing us, CEO Joe is teasing us, but what I saw was 2 lipstick boxes. It would be for this liquid lipstick, and one box was blue and one box was pink, like a mauve color, pinky color, kind of like this one. Anyways, I think that what's going to be in the May box is going to be a Dose of Colors LIPPIE. I have one, obviously, right here, and it's a fantastic product. I'm definitely very bummed that the palette probably will not be in the May box. It always could be. Maybe they're trying to trick us again. But my guess is that it's going to be a Dose of Colors lip product. Now, I don't have any further information for you guys as to what items 4 and 5 will be for the Boxycharm box, but we can take a look real quick at the Dose of Colors LIPPIE if you're not familiar with them. Mine is in Warm and Fuzzy. The shade's really nice. There is a blue one, and then there are normal ones, or shall I say less bold or less creative. But these are very, very nice. They're very pigmented, and they absolutely smell like cupcakes. It is so nice. Like, it really smells like cupcakes. But let's take a close look. So this is Warm and Fuzzy from Dose of Colors. My skin is fair. It is very pigmented. It's a very nice quality product. It's very comfortable to wear. It's also long wearing. It's really a quality product. I would take this any day over getting Steve Laurent lip gloss like I got in my box for April. I have had this Dose of Colors on my forearm for about 1 minute. I'm just going to show you how quickly it wears down. Now, it's still a tiny bit wet in the center, but I can show you that it's already dried out towards the end, and if I just run my finger over it, that just smudged a teeny tiny little bit, but the first 2 times I ran my finger over it, it didn't even smudge. So I would say that this lip dries down pretty quickly, and it's going to be a long wearing lipstick, and I think everyone's going to enjoy it. So with Joe dropping this recent hint, it really looks like we're going to be getting a Dose of Colors lip product this month. Joe did the spoiler in the hotel lobby where he said, if you're wondering about one of the products for this month's Boxycharm, go to my Instagram. And then when you did that, it was him in the Dose of Colors lobby. So that was a pretty good hint during that Coachella week that one of the products in the Maybox was going to be Dose of Colors. With Joe showing the conference room footage, it's safe to assume that the Dose of Colors product is going to be the liquid lip, and it's not going to be the palette. So I'm sorry to tell you guys that, but I wanted you guys to get that information. And I do still think that the palette's coming. They showed it to us in January as a spoiler for the upcoming year. So that's coming, but as for May, we're looking at the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser, item 1, First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream, item 3, Dose of Colors, shade Unknown. Okay, that is it for the Boxycharm May 2019 spoiler update. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will bring you more information as I get it. Maybe we'll get some more information about number 4 and 5 in the box. I will let you know. And if you're not already subscribed to my Instagram, why don't you go and follow me on there? It is Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget XO for Instagram. That's my Instagram name. And what I do there is if I see daily deals or weekly deals, especially daily deals that I can't get a video on out right away, I'll just put them right there on Instagram, and you might find that handy. I mean, sometimes I run across a half-price palette, or this past week in Ulta there was a 20% off coupon. I found out Thursday morning that it was the last day of the 20% coupon. Did not know that. So subscribe to the Instagram, that would be helpful. And also subscribe to my channel. I still have my skincare and makeup giveaway going on, and the giveaway ends on Thursday, and that is when the winner will be picked at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday. It's open worldwide, so feel free to enter. All you do is watch the video. I will link it up here, the giveaway video. You like, you comment, you subscribe, and that's it. So thanks a lot, guys, and I will see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.